Good morning, students. I am going to start lesson 4 practical geometry. This lesson is related to geometry in which we are going to construct a quadrilateral. In previous classes we have learned how to construct a triangle and how many parts of a triangle are required to construct a triangle. In the construction of a unique triangle, we require 3 measurements of sides and angles. If you want to draw a unique triangle, then you have minimum 3 measurements of sides and angles are required. If you have 3 measurements of a triangle, sides or angles, then you able to construct a triangle. But in construction of unique quadrilateral, we require 5 measurements of sides and angle. In the construction of quadrilateral, we require 5 measurements of sides and angles. If we have 5 measurements, 5 parts of a quadrilateral, 5 measurements of quadrilateral, then we are able to construct a quadrilateral, unique quadrilateral. And that conditions are given here. First, when 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given. When 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given, then you are able to construct a unique quadrilateral. When 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, here 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. This means we have also 5 measurements. We are able to construct a unique quadrilateral. When 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, here is also 5 measurements. 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. Then we are able to construct a unique quadrilateral. When 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, here is also 5 measurements, 3 sides and 2 included angles. Then we are able to construct a unique quadrilateral. When other special properties are known, we are able to construct a quadrilateral when we know the property of the figure which we want to draw. If we have a knowledge of the property of the given figure, like square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus and so on, then we are able to construct a unique quadrilateral when there is no given 5 measurement also. We are able to construct by their properties, special properties. Like in the square, if you have given only one side, means side of a square, then you are able to construct a square because all 4 sides are equal and all angles are 90 degrees. Then we are able to construct a square. We are able to construct a rectangle also when 2 adjacent sides are given, because we know that all angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees. Clear? Means we have 5 conditions to construct a unique quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, when other special properties are known. Clear? Exercise 4.1. Your first question, first part is construct the following quadrilateral ABCD. First part is construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD, where AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. In this question, we have 5 measurements of sides. Then, first of all, you draw a rough figure of quadrilateral ABCD. Rough figure of quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C, and D. You write down the measurement. What are given here? 4.5 centimeter. AB is 4.5 centimeter. BC 5.5 centimeter. CD 4 centimeter. AD 6 centimeter. And AC means diagonal is given here, means 4 side and 1 diagonal is given here. From the first condition of construction, you construct a quadrilateral ABCD where 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given. 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given. For the construction of this question, it is easy to construct. First, you draw AC line segment whose measurement is 7 centimeter. Then you take 6 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with center A like this. And you take 4 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with center C, which cut the previous arc at point D like this. When you join D to A and D to C, half figure is constructed. Then you take 4.5 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with center A like this. Okay, please. Then you take 5.5 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with center C, which cut the previous arc at point B. And join A to B and C to B. Your required quadrilateral ABCD is constructed. And you also write all these steps in your copy, steps of construction. How can you construct this quadrilateral ABCD? you write down in your own words. I repeat it. First you draw AC line segment of length 7 cm. Then you take 6 cm distance in your compass and draw an arc with center A, and then you take 4 cm distance in your compass and draw an arc with center P, which cut the previous arc at point D, join A to D and C to D. Then you take 4.5 cm distance in your compass and draw an arc with center A, and you take 5.5 cm distance in your compass and draw an arc with center C, which cut the previous arc at point B, join A to B and C to B. You get ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, this is 4 cm, this is 6 cm, this is 4.5 cm, and this is 5.5 centimeter. These are the measurements which you want to verify. Just you take your scale and measure all the sides. Your measurements are what? That's are given here. Clear?